justice, and caste census. In these three topics, the most critical one is social justice. Now, if the Adivasis who are living in the forest, the Dalits who are living still as untouchables at the end of the village, the OBCs, including the Shudras like Jats, Patels, Marathas, Reddys, Kammas, whatever, who still live in agriculture, if these people want to reach the stage of Brahmins, the stage of Baniyas, the stage of Kayastas, Khatris and Kshatriyas, it will take minimum 1,000 years if we go in the same model. Do you know that the British, which ruled India, that was ruled by one Indian for 1.5 years, called Rishi Sunak, is not a Reddy, he is not a Jat, he is not an OBC, he is not a Dalit, but he is a Kayast. And tomorrow who is going to rule America? Kamala Harris. And next after that, the wife of future President of America called Vance, Usha Chilukuri. You know their caste? Both of them are Brahmins from South India. Now why not we? Friends, the question is, Suraj, all of us have a key responsibility to locate where we lost our seed in the social justice. The biggest social injustice is being done in school education in India. School education is the most dangerous formula that was set right from Nehru days till Narendra Modi day, and private sector school education is biggest sector than any other sector in India. Do you know that? And this private sector is in English medium, but the government sectors in the states are in Hindi, Tamil, Malayalam, Telugu, Arabic and Urdu for Muslims. And until and unless private sector school education is abolished, social justice is not going to come in India. Do you agree? Now, if you don't even know what is the key area when somebody speaks, then you don't even clap for important issue, you can't achieve social justice. So private sector today, entirely after BJP came to power, all the big universities are in the private sector. Your Ashoka University, your Amity University, JNU is destroyed, Delhi University is destroyed, either central universities are destroyed. Therefore, Mandal, one key area that we have to take up as a social justice issue that actually started with Mandal. Before Mandal, I was part of the Mandal movement when the present Prime Minister Narendra Modi was actually carrying on the Rath Yatra. We were fighting for Mandal in the streets. He was not with reservations at that time. Now what was the issue? The issue is we never had English medium education for the last 217 years. Therefore, we are 80% today, but we cannot become Prime Minister of Britain. Even for 100 years more, we are 80% today, Adivasi, Dalit, OBC and Shudras including. And we cannot even imagine of becoming President of America even after 100 years if our children don't get English medium education in government schools. That is the key of social justice. Do you agree or not? There is a sentimental problem in North India. North Indians are dumped upon in the villages, in the labor, in the construction work, and their children are taught only Hindi, and you have become Hindi sentimentalists. But today, I come from a caste called Paul or Gaderia in this region, but when I wanted to bring a revolution, I added shepherd to my name in English. You know why it is revolution? Once I call my name a shepherd, the whole world understands that my parents were sheep breeders. Once you call you are a shoemaker, the whole world understands that you are the basic scientist in this country, not the Brahman, not the Banya, not the Kayasta, and not nobody who could till the land. Once a Jat or a Yadav adds to his name, tiller in English, Americans understand, Australians understand, Canadians understand, they will respect us, not with local names. Therefore, friends, it is time that we should change the whole language of discourse. The language of discourse is either you introduce English medium in all the government schools along with the regional language, or abolish private sector education. Do you know? Ambani spent for one marriage 5,000 crores. And today the Gujarati business people can spend easily thousands of crores on their marriages and thousands of crores on their English education. Ambani has an English medium school called Dhirubhai Ambani International English Medium School. You know the fees? Fees is 15 lakhs per LKG. And their syllabus is international syllabus. Now Modi government wants us to read ancient Indian syllabus. How do we catch up? How do we? So my appeal to you is that Mandal, you know, when I look at Mandal face, if only he were to be in the Hollywood, he would have been world most beautiful actor in the world. Look at his face. Look at his face. Neither Dilip Kumar nor any your Amitabh Bachchan has that kind of a glowing face. But he gave us a document, and that document brought about revolution, and that document brought about revolutionary idea in our hand. Therefore, to make Mandal a real revolutionary movement, we must fight for English medium education in all states, in all government schools. And then in the budget, it is not construction that is important, it is not infrastructure that is important, it is English medium education for our girls and boys, that they will make this country more competent than America, more competent than China, more competent than Europe. Therefore, shall we demand for English medium in government schools or not? Tell us. Shall we demand? Raise the hand. Shall we demand English medium in government schools? Shall our parliament members fight for English medium or not? Where are the parliament members? If you don't fight for English medium, go by even old communist language, even go by old socialist language, it will not work. It will not work. Therefore, my last appeal is, English is Indian and knowledge is Indian in the agriculture. Therefore, let us say Jai Mandal, because we are forgetting Mandal's great contribution. It is Mandal and BP Singh who brought about change. So let us say very loudly, Jai Mandal, Jai English medium education for our children. Thank you.